Xiaomi has provided a rare look into the performance of its humanoid robots on the assembly line, reporting that its machines have successfully transitioned from laboratory apprentices to functional interns at its Beijing EV facility. Providing an update on the robotics program, CEO Lei Jun said the humanoid platform is built on its in-house VLA foundation model called Xiaomi Robotics Zero, enhanced by multimodal perception and reinforcement learning. In a technical update shared via Weixin, the electronics giant revealed that the humanoid platform achieved a 90.2% success rate during a 3-hour autonomous pilot at a self-tapping nut installation station. The task requires the robot to account for the internal spline structure of the nuts, inconsistent orientations within the gripper, and magnetic interference from positioning pins. Beyond the 90.2% success rate for simultaneous dual-side installation, the robot met a critical industrial benchmark, a 76-second cycle time. This aligns with the production beat required for modern automotive lines, addressing a common criticism that humanoid platforms are often too slow for real-world deployment. By fusing head-mounted cameras, wrist-mounted vision, and fingertip tactile sensors, the robot can detect if a nut is misaligned or slipping before a failure occurs. The company is currently validating the robot at other stations, including front emblem installation and tote handling. By tethering its robotics development directly to its EV production lines, Xiaomi is positioning itself as its own best customer.